Dolphins are human-friendly, and how they saved and treated men know it life. In ancient times, there was an animal that lived in wild. Then, with the development of life, this animal moved to live next to water and rivers to get to eat from food, which is fish, squid, and crustaceans. It fits with the new life in the water. Its body has become and it is now to fit with the new life in the water. Its body has become like the body of the fish. It has a tail that it can move up and down and can change direction at a high speed and has the flexibility of the shark in speed and swimming. As for her mouth, it is like the mouth of birds and dolphins that breathe from the lung and is located above the brain where it breathes oxygen from the air, just like any animals. To swim on the sea floor and back again to breathe and so on. Dolphins are among the mammals in the sense that they give birth and breastfeed their children, and their children drink milk and remain with them until they can search for food on their own. Dolphins are distinguished by living a social life and are characterized by a communication systems where they live in group and each dolphin is called in its name. It is called from the rest of the dolphin. It also salute each other. Dolphins live in group between 12 and 13 individuals in order to protect each other and also secure food. It is noted that female and newborn it is in the middle of the group to protect them, while the males protect them from the outside. And when there is a dolphin in the event of illness or fatigue from the member of the group, it doesn't leave alone but remain with it and the other dolphin until it dies as it raises other children from the dolphin if the mother is not present and has value between the group mass and us human. It also has a culture in the sea that is transmitted between one generation and another. If there is a danger, there is a whistle that is a distinctive beep sound that is issued to warn which indicate awareness of the future. Dolphin has the ability to use tools such as a stone and predict the futures. For example, what happened in the earlier where there were presentations of dolphin in ponds, but these species are based on the natural land containing stones, so the viewers of the presentations dolphins from their habits throwing the waste that they don't want in the water. Besides, the dolphin aren't aware that this lead to kill dolphins. The trainers train dolphin to collect camps, glasses, and waste from these ponds. And when any of the waste is brought in, the dolphins are rewarded with a fish that they eat. New to get the reward from the fish it eat, so the trainer was surprised and tried to track it and found that the dolphins collect waste and put it under a rock and bring them at the appointment time. At the appointed time to get reward, and this means that the dolphin have the ability to predict the future and also use stones. So used stones for a specific purpose and therefore they predict the future. Human and dolphins are similar in terms of conscious sleep and that small dolphins love education like humans. Dolphins are characterized by their strong love for men and kindness on him and on other beings, other such as drawing dogs, other creatures, and some fish. One of the most important positions of dolphin in saving a person and his intensive love for men with an event. In New Zealand, a group of Marines rescuers training in the open sea region and found that the dolphins surround them from all directions. They believe that the dolphin attacked them, so they sought to penetrate this circle. And after penetrating it, they found that there are sharks and there is a danger to them and that the dolphins defeat them and try to save them. And it exposed itself to danger for the sake of man, and that the dolphin didn't leave the place until after the shark went from the place, which confirms that the dolphins are a friend of man and his belief and his beloved man, and have the ability to treat it from some diseases that the patients swimming next to dolphins. So if he can't swimming by simply sitting next to the dolphins and sitting in the water next to it leads to treatment for some diseases. And this treatment has already been used in some islands.